Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Notion Pro step by step clearly. To activate Notion Pro, start by opening the Notion application on your device. If you haven't already, log into your existing Notion account. Once logged in, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. Scroll down and find the Settings and Members option. Click on it to open your account settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Plans tab. Select the Plans tab to view the available subscriptions. You will see the Notion Pro plan listed among other options. Click on the Upgrade button next to the Notion Pro plan. You will be directed to a payment page. Enter your payment information in the required fields. Review the details to ensure they are correct. After confirming your payment details, click on the Confirm button. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation message. You are now successfully upgraded to the Notion Pro plan. Return to the main dashboard to explore the enhanced features. Enjoy using your upgraded Notion Pro account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.